Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Mentor with me Firoza Qureshi. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about exponents and order of operations, also known as BEDMAS. By the end of this video, you will know how to simplify expressions step by step, and I will also show you some easy tricks. So get your notebook and pen ready and let's start learning together. First we look what is exponent. Exponent means repeated multiplication. Look at the blackboard. For example, number 5. Here 5 is the base and 2 is the power or exponent. It means you need to multiply 5 2 times. 5 times 5 equal 25. Now let's try more example together. For example, 3 to the power 3 equal 3 times 3 times 3. Equal 27. Now let's try another example. 6 to the power 2 equal 6 times 6 equal 36. One more example. To the power 3 equal 2 times 2 times 2 equal 8. The blackboard. For example, 5 times 5 times 5. When we multiply the same number again and again, we can write it in shorter form using an exponent. So we can write it as 5 to the power 4. It's the shorter form or it's called the exponential form. Now let's move to order of operations. When you have many operations like brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, we must solve in the correct order. We remember it by the rule BEDMAS. B for brackets, E for exponents, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Let's practice by step. First do brackets, next do exponents, then do multiplication and division, and last do addition and subtraction. Let's try first brackets. For example, according to BEDMAS, first we need to simplify bracket. So 2 plus 3 equal 5. Now second step is 11 times 5 equal 55. So our final answer is 55. Now look another example. You can notice here exponent form. So according to BEDMAS, we need to simplify first exponent form. 5 times 5 equal 25. Now second step is 3 times 25 equal 75. So our final answer is 75. Now look another example. According to BEDMAS, first we need to simplify here exponent. So our first step is to simplify exponent. So 3 times 3 equal 9. Now our second step is to simplify bracket. So 9 times 4 equal 36. Now third step is 36 plus 6 equal 42. So final answer is 42. Now let's try this example. Here you can notice here two operations are there. One is division and another one is addition. So according to BEDMAS, here first we need to simplify division. So 12 divided by 6 equal 2. Now our second step is 2 plus 7 equal 9. So our final answer is 9. Now let's try this example. Now you can notice here two brackets are there. So according to BEDMAS, you need to simplify bracket first. Then you can go for addition. So first we simplify any bracket you can choose. So first we go for subtraction bracket. So 5 minus 3 equal 2. Then just put the addition sign in the middle. Now go for another bracket. So 6 times 3 is 18. So 2 plus 18 is 20. So final answer is 20. Now look another example. First step is 3 times 5 equal 15. Now second step, 15 minus 2 equal 13. So final answer is 13. So remember the 4 basic rules of BEDMAS. First brackets, next exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Try this example at home and write your answer in the comments. So today we learn exponents and order of operations. Always remember BEDMAS, it helps you get the correct answer every time. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lesson with ratio and percentage. Thank you.